how to make money on Upwork as a UX UI designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here choose to join as a freelancer. I'm a freelancer looking for work. Click on apply as a freelancer. Then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then click on create my account, and then I will meet you in the profile creation. Just wait for me to log in into my account. And this is the profile creation. It's loading right now, and this is the last step, as you can see in here, 10 out of 10. So let's go back to start from the first steps. So this is the first step. So here, let's get started. Answer this question. First, have you freelanced before? You can choose the answer that fits you. Same thing with this question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next. And here, tick all of these boxes, even the third one. Then click on next to create your profile. So here, how would you like to tell us about yourself? You can import your resume from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in your desktop in a PDF file, or you can fill it out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So let's go to filling it out manually. Start a new profile, and here let's enter our skill. Then click on next to add your experience. So here you can add your previous work experience. Same thing with education as well. You can add your education history in here. After that, you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak. So English is a must in this platform. And here you choose your level in it. For me, it's conversational. And you can add more languages if you want. For me, I'm going to add 2 more. Arabic, it's my native language. And I'm going to add French as well. I studied it in school, and I'm still studying in French. I'm going to say my level in it is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter maximum 15 skills. So let's start with user experience, UX and UI, user interface design, GUI design, user experience design. And that's enough for me. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio, a small talk, and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT, type, I'm a UX UI designer, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and it will give you a very good bio. Just make sure to check that bio, adjust it if there is any mistakes, and copy and paste it in here. For me, I'm going to take Marty's bio just to proceed to the next step. I don't want to make the video too long by going to ChatGPT and adjusting the bio. So then click on next to choose your categories. So they've already suggested some services for me, web and mobile design. Let's see if there is any other category that matches our skill. Game design, development. Let's go with web development as well. And let's see, design creative. Let's see what we can find else. E-commerce development as well. Game design development. Software development. or not. Let's go with game design, development, and that's it. Then click on next to set your rate, which is your hourly price. Let's go with $40 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you add the date of birth, country, state, address, and so on, and you upload the photo or the profile picture. So here show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with your profile creation, this is how you're going to improve your profile. So I'm going to log out. You don't need to log out, you just need to proceed to the main page. For me, I'm going to log out to go back to the profile, to the main page. And basically the idea is that you're going to type your skill in the search box and search for talents like you and see or look for the highest earners in your field and see what are they doing differently than you, and try to copy what they're doing, their bio, how are they talking about their service, how much they are getting paid, their job success, and all of those things. So let's look for the highest earner. Here is one. He earned more than $500,000. Let's see if there is anyone else. This one, he earned more than the one that we saw before. Let's see if we can. This one is more. So just keep looking until you find the highest earner. So I think that's it. The highest earner is $700,000, which is this one. So here, just check his profile, see what is he doing differently, check his profile picture, and see how is he talking about his service, what is he offering in his bio, how much he's getting paid per hour. So just make sure to check everything about him, see his jobs in progress and his completed jobs, and try to apply what he's doing in your profile. And if you want to find more work in this platform, go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and type your skill in the search box, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for your skill. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.